Hey folks, this is James, the unofficial mayor of Cowboy Country. We are here at College Station, home of the 12th man, Kyle Field. I already saw it as I came in, but around that corner is where all the construction is, and that's why we're here. We're here to do a follow-up video, but hey, that's a pretty cool statue, so thought I'd get another shot of it. See all these cool banners? Hint, hint, Oklahoma State. We need those. Something like that for all of our good players like Des Bryant. Tatum Bell. I wonder what that is. Is it like a chapel or something? An outdoor chapel? Maybe like a wedding chapel? I don't know. I don't know if I was a alumni here. Maybe it would be kind of cool to get married across the street. Who knows? Alright, well, we're going to go around the corner and as you can see the fencing and stuff. So we'll turn the camera off, walk around the corner, and I'll show you where all the construction is. This part over here is where the gym is. That part back there is all new. It was literally just a frame when I was here before, last time I was here. It's across the street. I figured I'd get a little quick shot of it. I thought it was pretty cool. So here's the side of the building, and then that over there is all new. I'm not G-Fed. I'm not going to try to go inside, but I do want to try to get you the best shot I can. So yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll get a quick shot from this side. See, Graham Athletic Complex Coolidge Football Performance Center. So, yeah. I didn't know any better. I swear this thing's even bigger than the one down in Houston. This thing's massive. Holy crap. They say everything's bigger in Texas. They're not kidding. This right here, I will admit, is really cool. Maybe they added that, but I didn't see that before. See where it says Victory Street? That's kind of neat. Okay. So over there is Reed Arena. And there's a parking garage. You know, I dinged A&M for not having enough parking. But between the parking garage I parked in and that other one, I may have to bump A&M up on the list. Yeah, cool. I always love statues, so we'll get another one of John David Crow. Won the Heisman in 1958. Of course, headed back to the parking garage I parked in. I love the brick and glass. This is a very good looking stadium. To admit, last time I was here, I did not see this. Early. That's cool. They got things here for like different All-Americans, Heisman Trophy winners. That's pretty cool. We're headed back over that way where the garage is. Well, the construction looks great. Obviously, this is one of my top 5 stadiums. This is a great stadium, and I'm really impressed with the new indoor practice facility. And my apologies to, oh, sorry, I touched the microphone. My apologies to Aggie fans, as I did not know about these 2 parking garages. So that's my fault. I guess when I finally do Michigan and Penn State and I redo my top 10 big list, yeah, I may have to bump A&M on that one. So anyway, if you're new, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. We'll do some prediction videos during the summer. But like I said, either I'm doing a trip to California and do California schools, or I'll try to go to the Northeast this December. I really don't want to go in the wintertime, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.